Guys, we're back. Finally got back home. Actually, I'm at his house today. But anyways, yeah, this is my first vlog without my long hair, guys. I look kind of weird. I don't like it, but I had to do it for my job, man. I'm a firefighter. So yeah, guys, life has been changing a lot in many ways. But anyways, before we get to any other things, I'm King K. For anyone that don't know me, there's probably a lot of you guys. Anyways, this is Magnus. This is my friend.
Magnus.
Known him since I was 8 or 9 years old. Don't even know. It's been long. But yeah. I hope you guys are doing well. And we just vibing and just chilling. But yeah. So as you guys know, I'm an artist. You see, as you can see my page. And he's also an artist and a producer, and he makes music videos as well.
Yeah, you can just say I'm an artist.
He has his own business, personal business.
What the fuck is that?
Personal business. Oh, what do you say?
It's just a business I have.
Like your own business.
Yes, that's
Sorry guys. Sorry for my
personal
English.
business.
Hey, was almal weet met tweede language is Engels, eerste language is Afrikaans. So
First additional language. That's
yeah, my first additional language is Afrikaans, guys.
It's English.
Additional means second.
Yes.
Ah! Why do I fuck up? Bruh, shit. Anyways, bro, oh god. But yeah, play some music there for us, man.
No.
You the vibe,
You can put music in the, and there's no way to play music anyway.
Shit. They must sponsor me.
Shift.
No. I said shit. They must, because I showed the logo.
Because it's shit.
But hey, bro.
That's money.
Hey, I drink sweets, bro.
Shift.
I used to drink school, but that's way back. But I love Monster more. The original one, that's my favorite. It's unhealthy, guys. Don't get addicted to caffeine, guys.
Why the original one? Monster original.
It's just my favorite since high school days. Man. Actually, primary school days.
Why did you buy it in It's too expensive.
Nah, it's just like sometimes I just want to have something else. You see, it's only like a 10 rand difference.
But that's a lot.
Yeah, you can buy two.
Thing is 10 rand,
You can buy two.
That thing is 10 rand. A 10 rand difference is a lot.
It's a lot, yeah. Do you have my lighter?
No, you can't see.
Yeah, fuck. Why not?
No, you didn't have said you must keep the stuff out. So just keep it out of the thing.
Easy. Nice and good. Shame, man.
Yeah, hey,
you must be 18 above if you want to watch this.
I would have been kissing Mary Jane.
Leave that conversation out. We don't mess with that.
I don't know, but
hey,
I love Mary Jane. You don't.
We're gonna we have a track on the way also.
Yes.
We're still busy with the cover or shit. But anyways, in 2 weeks time we're gonna make a music video for a song. One of my songs. There might be a feature on. I'm not sure what song I'm gonna take yet for the music video. But yeah, I don't wanna say anything about it. But yeah. You guys that are on my TikTok lives, you see, and interact with my TikTok, you would know what's going on. But you see, but yeah, yeah, guys, go follow me on my TikTok as well. King K. It is pronounced spelled the same as my YouTube channel. So yeah, and please subscribe and please like and comment. Doesn't matter whatever you want to comment. You can hate if you wanna. Doesn't matter. Bro, you're gonna get blocked. You're gonna get blocked, bro.
You said they can comment anything now. You wanna block them?
Okay, be respectful. Be a respectful hater, at least.
You can't be a respectful hater.
Hey.
Haters,
they should know, man. But hey, there's no reason for us to hate on us, man. Don't be like that, bro. we just chilling. We don't have no ego, bro. We just people, young adults trying to make a living and trying to have fun, you see, and enjoy your life, you see, like everyone else. So there's no difference between me and you see. Just like anyone can do this, bro. Just about the effort and the time and what. I'm still trying to become something in this YouTube thing. Like this is only the start with music as well. Like all both of that stuff together. Why you laughing? Why the fuck are you laughing? Why are you laughing, my bro? I'm being serious here.
You
I'm
had
being
your whole
serious.
monologue, yeah. I did say that you
But
were
yeah,
serious.
what I wanted to say also about my hair, guys. Yeah, so I had to cut it for work.
It's nice.
It was so sad, but
He
I
cut
don't
it because he
mind. I
likes his issue.
No, I love my long hair, but not a lot of people agree with me. But I want to be myself, me bro. I don't like showing my face. So when I had my long hair, I can hide my face. You see, because I don't know, I just get anxiety when I'm in public or something or in the mall.
So now what do you do now? You walk so
Hey, I
you walk
am
like that.
I am a I wouldn't say I'm a what you call it,
An introvert.
an introvert. Okay, I am, but people would say like an introvert won't actually want to be on a camera. You see, or
I'm
show
the
his face
introvert, so
in.
what does that
But
mean?
I don't know,
You
like
see, it's not
if you're
it's
fully
not
an
necessary.
introvert, you see.
You can't be fully introvert. No one is fully extroverted.
Okay.
But it's for
Nah, bro.
different people. Even extroverts don't want to be on camera.
Yeah. We don't know that people is gonna say things about him,
Mm,
what he will judge, whatever.
exactly. So that's different for different people.
Yeah. Yeah, bro. Play some music there, man.
How? I don't have a phone. It's charging.
Why didn't you fit your phone,
It's
bro?
charging.
I can't play music now.
Yeah, obviously. So just don't worry about the music.
But yeah,
Sing
guys.
your song.
Before I forget now,
Perform it.
go follow him now.
Don't
Yeah.
follow me.
Go follow him on TikTok and YouTube.
On TikTok, yes, don't follow me.
What?
Huh?
What you mean?
You said they must go follow me.
They must go follow you.
No, they must go on my social medias, yes, and follow my pages.
Oh fuck,
Don't
man!
follow me.
It's a fucking same thing, my brother. Wait, you're making things confusing, yeah, my brother. They know what I mean, my brother. Hey, there's this guy, this Post Malone. He looks like Jesus.
That person, don't.
Jesus. You see,
I don't
like
look
Jesus,
anything like
the way
Jesus.
how they portray Jesus in Sunday school. You see the white Jesus.
Everywhere, not just
Huh? Everywhere.
everywhere.
Not everywhere, can.
But
Bro.
he is everywhere.
He's
The white Jesus.
yeah.
Has there been a black Jesus?
I've seen pictures over there.
A black Jesus.
Okay, but
Like
not
an
like
actual,
not in
a
church,
church
nah.
religion, not a
Nah.
AI picture or something that people.
But anyways, he looks like
I don't know. How do I look? I
you must show your long hair, man. Okay, you guys would see on his pages, man. On his social pages. Okay, that's Magnus, no? MXGNS, no? What you okay, you say
my ads.
your ads, yeah. Your tag
It's
name.
gonna be in the description, but it's pronounced Magnus on TikTok and MXGNS Music on Facebook. Why is this one? And MXGNS Music on
I almost burned my face with this bitch.
YouTube also. I think on Facebook it's MXGNS only.
Facebook,
Yeah,
the
it should
page
be
for the old
MXGNS.
people. That's only the
Who said so?
Facebook is for the old people nowadays, my brother.
No.
It's only Instagram. Instagram is boring nowadays. TikTok is more lit now.
You see you don't know how to go through these things, like, or maybe not these things, specifically Facebook. Facebook is not. It's not.
I
a lot
used to be on it though,
of old people.
but that was in grade 9, 10, my bro. That's years back, bro.
Facebook, no.
That's in 20. 2016, 2017, dog. Nah, we are a decade,
Our hip hop,
almost a decade now.
you see, our hip hop, specifically the
I
colored
forgot,
people.
like, yeah,
Colored people.
like, you two won't care about cigarettes, man.
Huh? I don't know.
Fuck.
But
Shit.
You showed the whole thing.
Yeah, but I was like this, that's it. It's still in the camera,
Yeah.
bruh.
I saw that I was gonna.
Fuck. That's funny. But yeah, who gives a fuck? I'm old enough. Way old enough. Way old enough. People call me uncle all my lives, bro. And they keep on going talk to me, bro. It's like, yo,
Uncle.
uncle.
Nah, they take me too
And you're older than me, so you're a grandpa.
Uncle.
Yeah, but yeah. I wish we could play some music for them also, man. Like some of our unreleased stuff.
Perform it and sing it.
That'd be fire. Guys, we used to have our I was part of it. He was the co-owner. I would say co-owner of 184 Records. It was like a registered record label that he started in my other friend, Lord Crank. You see. But yeah, how long did we have that? For like 3 years now.
No, that's from 2020 to 24.
Oh, okay, so almost like 4 years now.
20. I think 24 is when it ended.
It started
February.
in 2019 December. But yeah, we were young back then.
Yeah.
And yeah, my music sucked back then, bro. Yo, it sucked. But yeah, we used to do shows in town, and we else a lot of places, man. And it was fun, man. Like experiencing that on that age also. It was just nice. Sometimes stressful, you know, but it was nice. Yeah, and Piao also, yeah.
Piao was like just once, I think.
And we were how many members? 10, 11? 13.
At the most.
At the most.
13, 14.
We were, and there were like 2 females in it. 3.
3, yeah.
3, yeah.
No, 4 actually. You were the 4th one.
Ah, fuck you, man. God damn. You look more than a female than me, man, bro. You act like one as well.
Look at this.
You don't have. No one cares about you.
That is so far from what a female can be with this beard.
Bruh, you would be surprised. You would be surprised.
They all females that can grow beards, but that is not a normal thing. You see, that is
this man is
a beard now. No, I'm not saying a mustache. I'm saying
this man is attacking them. Why are you attacking them? Hey,
a beard.
What is that? Oh, it's that light, the red light, that sign.
Oh, it is so dark that you see that.
Yeah. I'm gonna make another behind the scenes video, like my first vlog. I'm gonna make another one when I shoot my other music video that's coming the end of this month. So we're gonna shoot it in the next 2 weeks. He's gonna shoot it. I'm gonna edit it. And yeah, you guys will. I will keep you guys updated on the socials. You see. Okay. Yeah. But yeah, go follow my TikTok, King K. It's also spelled, I guess. Did I say that before in the video? No. But yeah. Yeah. So yeah, bro, we're just chilling. Just being ourselves. Just here, breathing. But yeah, do you have anything to say, Cam? Magnus. What do you have any nice memories about your experience so far as an artist since 2020?
No.
No, man.
It's all been horrible.
Ah, fuck, bro.
A horrible tormenting
Yeah,
experience.
and you were in the band as well.
Oh,
In
a
the Snake.
tormenting experience that I've been.
You was in a real rock
struggling.
band, bro. With my
why-
other friend,
Why do
bro.
you say it like a real rock band?
Nah,
Like you say it so
like
there's
a
no
rock band that
such thing.
actually have a crowd, bro. Like that. That's fire, bro.
That was long ago.
Mm. But still, how was your
Really?
experience, man? Like the tour that you guys had, also the competition thing you guys had in Joburg. Was it Joburg?
No. Why did we go to Joburg?
Was it Joburg?
No. I think we went to Joburg for a wedding thing.
Uh-huh. But you guys had a competition thingy, man.
That wasn't in Joburg. That was around here. What?
Oh. Oh, okay.
I forgot why we went to Joburg. I'm not gonna lie to you.
Yeah.
But yeah, the band won 3 Battle of the Bands when I was with them. Not saying that it's me now. I'm just saying when I was there.
You guys must obviously a band, but you guys work together. So your achievement, their achievement is what you also achieve, basically.
Achieve it together, yes.
Yeah, bro, that's how it works.
3 Battle of the Bands.
I wish I was in a rock band, bro. I wish.
Why?
But it's my own fault. I could have learned to play guitar way back then. And singing. I need a vocal coach, bro. I need a vocal coach. I just wanna sing properly.
No?
That will help a lot on the
YouTube.
track. Huh?
YouTube.
I say you but they ask money for courses, man, and stuff.
You know what you mean? You must get free free.
But that wouldn't be that helpful because obviously they won't give everything. Okay, maybe there's some kind of people that do that.
You also never know what you can start finding. Just
yeah,
because people have learned of worse circumstances than just in YouTube videos. Some just sing. Another way, if you want to learn to practice, is just to sing other songs. Sing with it.
wait.
Like.
That's how the people do it, like winning the idols
times,
also.
Yeah.
Most of them sing other people's songs. Yeah.
No. But I mean, when I say sing people's songs, I don't mean to go and.
You don't have an S3 or no?
No, you can just have the video.
What?
Especially, yeah.
Oh yeah. God damn. Don't worry, guys. We're not chunkies, no. it might look like that. I don't know, man.
It's just because you were smoking 1 inch.
Oh yeah, I knew. But yeah, guys. Is there something more interesting I can say? Yeah, guys, just to let you guys know, we actually take music really seriously as a career. Like for real, we're not just like any. We have been trying out a lot of things, but we know we're gonna make it work out at the end. So, and we've been consistent as well with making music and dropping music. You see, I know I don't have a lot of songs on my my YouTube channel, but there's a lot of songs that I dropped, but deleted it afterwards, and also music that I just never dropped, and songs on my SoundCloud that I don't use anymore. It's been 2 3 years since I dropped anything on there. It's with that song with Over Again of Me and You, with the Pray For Me EP. But yeah, that EP is not the nah. That is still there actually. That album, No Broken Boy, is gonna stay there. I know that
on your YouTube.
No, only one song of Broken Boy is there. My first song, not Safe Around You, something like that. Yeah.
Broken. Why did you take Broken Boy?
It was never on my YouTube.
Yeah.
It was on my Spotify, but I don't have Spotify anymore. I only use YouTube, the YouTube and YouTube Music. That's where you can stream my songs. But don't worry, one day, guys, when when things work out, then I'm gonna start posting my music on Spotify and all that. And when I actually have like a crowd that actually fuck with my music. You see, so oh wait, oh wait, how do you feel about having your songs in all platforms? That's what you told
Mm,
me about the
I
Kids.
I want it there. Obviously, I think every person wants it, but
Mm.
I want it in my terms. I would love to be my own distributor. I have a
Yeah.
deal where I can, don't need DistroKid or
Mm.
that or whatever the names are. So I'd like that, but obviously, who am I to go and ask Spotify?
No way.
Come on, let me post my own shit on your platform. Imagine that.
It's like you're collabing with him.
You see, so you must be a doctor, and the
No
registration
way.
to go through that is also.
No way.
Mm. So yeah, I would love it on all platforms. I was even thinking of just doing that, the DistroKid for now,
Mm.
getting money and paying for that, and then yeah, getting my music up.
No way.
Because it's nice to have it in, and the featuring also.
Yeah. I just want my music to sound like good, the quality wise, man.
Mm.
But
But at the beginning, you don't have to worry too
shit.
much about the quality.
Sorry.
I mean, look at the Tempo Boys, not to hate on them or anything, but if you listen to the first the breakout songs, they had a album or whatever that was that came out, but it sounded very like their vocals, man. I must play it to you. Then you're gonna hear like, yo, this vocal sounds so raw. It sounds like an amateur mixed it if it even was mixed. No, but that got millions of views.
If it works, it works.
If it
But
works, it works.
like,
If it works,
for,
don't break it.
yeah, but like,
Don't break it.
if it really works and quality ain't that good at the start, me, bro, it's fine, you know.
Yeah.
Like I love some of my songs. I love it when it sounds more like a bit as a bit of like distortion in it. Actually, a lot, and
Of course,
a lot of bass in it. You see, especially the hype songs.
we would want obviously high quality sound in
Yeah,
songs,
when the sound mainstream,
production,
you see,
yes.
you try your best to sound mainstream.
But if the audience likes what they're hearing
Mm.
and it's not even.
I love the underground song, like the underground sound, man.
Hmm.
You see, like you would find a lot of them obviously on SoundCloud. You see, like
Now even
yeah,
I don't even haven't even search SoundCloud for music videos
bro. I listen to a lot of underground artists, bro.
on SoundCloud
That just
specifically.
uh, like sometimes I find them on TikTok or Sound Instagram, or sometimes just a video pops up on YouTube and I just check it out. You see,
Mm.
but yeah, guys, you guys must always support local. You see, don't forget about the people around you. You see, like you wanna, especially if you have friends at all as artists as well. You see, support them.
Supportive
You
artists,
see, you never know. It can even maybe open doors for you if that person feel like
not my like imagine you
if it's
have a
okay,
famous artist friend.
if it's your like your real friend, like not someone that you just know. But yeah,
Yeah,
you would
that
like.
is not
But
yeah, understand.
if you guys are friends, but he sees now you never supported him, but he just never wanted to say that. You see, but like okay, other than that, you're good as friends. You see,
Mm.
but you just don't support my music. You see, I experienced that. Not gonna lie, but
But yeah, I think
yeah,
all artists have to experience it.
yeah, but
Most of my friends that I
we
know
all can
also don't
relate to
listen to
that.
my music. But here's the
But
thing:
it's understandable because
UK,
it's not like
UK
they
that
know
they
how
don't
much
listen.
music means to me. And whatever, even if it's not just music, bro, like anything, like when it comes to something that this guy needs support with us.
Mm.
Like a normal job, it's not like if you just do it like a normal job, there's no really like maybe just like motivational, just being
Mm.
motivational, whatever, having short conversations, but actually supporting your business. You see, like
Business.
promoting it, things like
Mm.
that's something
Buying.
else. You see,
Like if you had to
like
sell
if they
chicken
were
and stuff.
in that position, I would have. You
Yeah,
see,
yeah.
like for real.
Support your friend. Yeah. But people
Even if I don't like the music
people
or it's
feel
not my taste,
differently.
man,
Yeah.
I would still like
Because
understand
that's
in a
also the
way.
other thing. People also. No, I'm not saying our friends. I'm
But
just
it's mostly
saying
like people
people
that's
in
not
general.
artists, man. They don't
Yes, yes,
understand how
yes.
it feels and how the
It's just
journey is. You
artists,
see.
yeah. But other
Uh,
artists also dissing each other a lot. But I was
mm,
gonna say, people don't like to be associated with songs they feel stuck with it. The songs that it's not fully there.
mm-hmm,
Or the artist has something good, but there's not a lot of people supporting them now. They don't want to
yeah.
share and support
Mm,
also, because
yeah, but that's
then,
a
then
real
it looks,
struggle,
then the
man.
people look at him like, yo, what kind of music are you putting up? You know?
And like the music I posted before was so embarrassing, bro. But I just knew, okay, nah, you're gonna see basically me growing now, bro.
Obviously, everyone,
And maybe now and then I drop a shit ass song,
bro, I
and
can
then,
imagine
but
there's
it is what
songs
it is, bro.
that I even look at back then. I felt like was nice, like a home. I felt like was a liquor song back then.
And now you listen to it, it's shit like, ah,
What kak is this? I was listening to my verse on home now the other day. The start of it is out of time, bro. It's like I'm
yo,
speaking.
I
I'm out
forgot
of
about
time.
that song, bro. That's way back.
Thurston was liquor on there compared to us two.
Yeah,
We sounded like beginners on that side.
it's, fuck.
I love
But
it.
that was basically his song.
It's
Yeah.
my song. That's my
Oh
song.
yeah, your song Minimal Sweet.
Mm.
But anyways, um, yeah. You guys gonna get a lot of music and a lot of content from now on. I just hope um obviously it's must not work that's gonna get in between, but we still make it work though. We always make time for music. Doesn't matter if we're working, we always make time because this is the dream that we're chasing, bro. And it's gonna come through, bro. I don't give a fuck. If I die tomorrow, bro, I want my friends that's artists, I want them to succeed in it, bro.
Mm.
You see, if you pass away, I wanna make you proud, man, bro. I wanna get there and say, hey, you was part of my journey, and I appreciate that. You see, I appreciate him for all that things, and yeah, bro. Because that can happen, man. That's why I'm just saying it. You see, yeah, bro. Hey, we in this bitch.
Yeah. I thought you were gonna reach your ends,
Hey,
Okay,
you want me to light the engine? Just say so, bro. Hey,
Don't light no ends.
just say so, bro. Hey, just guys, don't ever smoke, bro.
Don't stop.
don't start. Yeah, I just smoke for stress, and depression and shit. You guys know. Don't have to speak about it. You can listen to my music and see. Yeah, but yeah, bro. You think that
You
we
said
all?
you have a little light there on your face.
Yeah, just a little bit of sun up. A
That
little
sun,
bit.
what is it?
It's almost night. Oh, it is night already.
It's
It's six.
evening, yeah, it's getting
6
dark.
o'clock. Yeah. But yeah, guys, I hope you guys enjoy this. This is a long as what you call this. This is not actually a vlog, man. This is like a
Mm.
more
You know what a video a
like
vlog
a
is? A vlog is
a
a
vlog.
vlog.
Oh, it's
It means what you're doing and so.
yeah.
It's like a journal entry, but
And you
with
go
the
to
videos.
different places
Yeah.
also, like yeah,
It's a
bro.
journal entry. That's your daily thing.
Yeah. So yeah, guys. I
Daily
don't know.
journal.
What should I call this then? Just a normal
Podcast. I
caption
don't know.
thing.
That's what we must called it the last time when we were.
What?
It was me, you, and Thurston
What?
sitting in the car. Podcast.
Oh, podcast. Okay, I'm just gonna give it a name.
Yeah.
Anyways, yeah. You think we out?
Yeah, because I'm
Yeah.
disappearing here in the back.
Yeah, guys, it's getting dark and shit. I'm going to work tomorrow and shit, so I need to get back home as well. But yeah, guys. Like I said, more content coming soon. More music as well, featuring all features as well on the songs, or I am on someone else's song, whatever. But you guys just keep an eye on my socials. You see, if you want to listen to my music, you're not forced to. But I would
Subscribers.
appreciate it. And so yeah, subscribe to this channel, please, guys. And yeah, have a nice one. See ya.
Peace.
Peace.